Okay, boys and girls, I had a terrible accident where the video recorder shut off again and made a 2 second long video. So I'm refilming this so that I actually explain to you how about main verbs and helping verbs. So go ahead and put your name at the top. Now we have um, two kinds of verbs. One kind of verb is a main verb, the other kind is a helping verb. And one of the main helping verbs that we have, there's actually two of them, and we're going to look at them. We're going to make a little chart over here on our paper. So we're going to start out with I, he, she, and it. We're going to look at you, we're going to look at we, and we're going to look at they. Okay, so actually two of the most popular helping verbs are to be, and another one is have, right? Have is another really popular one. So let's look at to be. I always draw a little b. So we use to be a lot as a helping verb. So if we're going to conjugate the verb, we would say I am, he, she, or it is, you are, we are, they are, right? Another helping verb is have, right? So this is the verb to be, and then over here we have the verb to have. And so we would say, I have, he has, or she has, or it has, you have, we have, or they have. Okay, so when you see to be and to have, when you see these different versions of the verb, you're going to know that those are helping verbs, right? Now, there's also past tense for both of those. This is the present tense, right? So this is present. Sometimes you see past tense for both of them. So you might say, I was, right? Past tense for to be. I was, he was, you were, we were, they were, right? And then we also have past tense on to have. So we might say, I had, he had, you had, we had, they had, right? So if you see any of these, you know that they're going to be helping verbs, right? All right, so here's our example. We have Ryan is, and right here is to be, right? So we know that that's the helping verb, and then writing is the main verb, okay? So we're going to look at number one. Ryan has read much science fiction. So I'm seeing has. I know immediately that has is a helping verb. And I know that the actual verb is read. So that's going to be main verb, right? Let's do one more and then we'll skip. We'll trade off and do every other one, okay, so that you get practice. So he was thinking about his favorite stories. I see was over here, right? So I know that that's the helping verb. Thinking is the main verb. All right, number 2. They have described different or distant galaxies. Think for a second which one you think is the helping verb and which one is the main verb. All right. So I got have because I looked over here and I saw have in the to be and to have category of helping verb, right? And then described is the main verb. All right. Ryan is imagining a strange planet. Here's our helping verb. It's right over here under to be. Imagining is the main verb. Okay, you guys are going to do number 5 on your own. Ryan will write about the planet's creatures. Ooh, we didn't do future tense. Let's see if you can figure it out. All right, so I got will. Will is the future for to be, right? So that's going to be our helping verb. And the main verb is the action verb to write. Okay, let's do number 6. His characters are traveling to Earth. I see are over here, so I know that's the helping verb because it is to be, and traveling is the main verb, the main action word. All right, you guys are going to do number 7. They are dressed as humans. See if you can find the helping verb, and then we'll check it, and the main verb. All right, so I found are over here, so I know that that's the helping verb. And then the main verb, dressed as humans. All right, they will visit New York City. So again, we have future be. We didn't do the future over here on our chart, but will is definitely a future version of the verb to be. And then the action word is visit. So that's the main verb, New York City. All right, you're going to do number 9 on your own. The extraterrestrials are living among us. That's a scary thought. Go ahead and see if you can find the helping verb and the main verb. All right. I see are over here under to be, so I know that that's the helping verb. And then living seems like the main verb. Last one we'll do together. The story will frighten his friends. Again, will is future of to be, so that's a helping verb. And frighten looks like the main verb. All right. So I hope this helped you to see that helping verbs, there are really 2 main versions of helping verbs that get used all the time in English. One helping verb is to be, and one helping verb is to have. And they get used all different tenses: present tense, past tense, which we did present and past, present and past. And we did not do future tense, but that gets used as well as a helping verb. So I hope that you understand and that you're able to recognize helping verbs a little bit better now that we've picked apart the verb to be and the verb to have. All right. Hope this helped you out a little bit. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you later.